Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming at you with part 2 of the break of the 2012-2013 Prestige Basketball box that I got purchased at Target. So let's get right to part 2 here, or opening the packs. Okay, we got LeBron James, Luol Deng, Roman Sessions, Mo Williams, Derek Fisher, Kobe Bryant Connections, Isaiah Thomas rookie, Avery Bradley, and Devaney Banks. See, in this break, I think we're looking for one more auto and jersey. Kevin Love, Chris Bosh, Andre Iguodala, Nate Robinson, Thomas Robinson, prestigious picks. So there's our autograph. John Henson, rookie. O.J. Mayo, Ben Gordon. We got Stephen Curry, Courtney Lee, David West, Chris Paul, David Lee, stars of the NBA, decoy, Donald Sloan, Andrew Bogut, Dwight Howard. Channing Frye, Ryan Anderson, James Harden, Ipek Udo, a bonus shots, Corey Joseph, rookie, numbered out of 249, and a Arnett Malati, rookie, is a DeMarcus Cousins and a Jason Kidd. Okay. Kobe Bryant, Steven Jackson, Greg Monroe, Rodney Stuckey, Kyle Love, franchise favorites, a rookie of Corey Higgins, Tyreke Evans, Ray Allen. Forrest Dial, Gortat, Carlos Boozer, Chris Paul, Maurice, Mike Scott, rookie, Danny Granger, DeAndre Jordan. Serge Ibaka, Jordan Crawford, Jordan Hamilton, Richard Hamilson, Louis Scola, Nowitzki, Nowitzki, Austin Rivers, Kevin Durant, Wesley Matthews, last. We have a Kyle Watson, Landry Fields, Javon McGee, Lewis Williams, Luke Ridner, Jared Cunningham, Drew Gooden, Devon Blair. We have a Tyler Hansbrough, Gerald Rose, Toronto Porter, Turner, John Jameson, Evans Carter Connection Card, Joseph Harrelson, rookie, Holford, and Mike Connor. Got 3 packs left. Avery Bradley, Darrell Wright, Derek Rose, Russell Westbrook, Josh Smith, Hardcore Heroes, Decoy, Festus Ezeli, rookie, a Kobe Bryant, and a Steve Jackson. Got 2 packs left to get the jersey card. Okay, Elton Brand, Jarrett Jack, Andre Miller, Paul Millsap, Nick Young, Anderson Varejao, True Colors, jersey, Will Burton, rookie, Chris Kaman, and Monta Ellis. And our last pack of the box. Devin Ebanks, or Devon, OJ Mayo, Zach Randolph, Dwayne Wade, a Roman Felton bonus shots numbered out of 249, a Lance Thomas rookie, Boris Diaw, and Marcin Gortat. So the 2 big cards from here was the Anderson Varejao True Colors jersey and the Thomas Robinson Prestigious Picks autograph from here. And I will keep you posted as to how the redemption from part 1 goes. So, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you next time.